I know, I'm gonna roll. You guys are watching me. I know. It's Caddy. Oh, I can go over here. You don't like that rolling chair. Did my big boy. And here comes Cotton. Hi, Cotton. Uh-oh, who's coming over here? Yeah, that's a little lime-colored girl, which is Caddy. She's the tri-colored one. She has white toes, but she has brown coming in. Kind of like this boy. Yeah. What do you want down there, you big klutz, huh? Cotton, you just walked through the water pan. What? You water dog? That's Comet. You wanted to go see what that water was, huh? Comet's got this beautiful black, silky, shiny coat. It's hard probably to see how much it shines, and it's just so soft and silky. And somebody's going potty. Cotton, that's Cotton. I'm gonna have to get me some paper towel to clean up. The sleeping little baby in the bed is Camille. Nope, somebody get a drink of water. Yeah. You're gonna say Daddy's outside with the big doggies. You're gonna get them all riled up, isn't he? Yeah, she is. What are you rolling around down there for? I'm trying to get this paper towel to clean up someone's mess. Yeah. Oh, that's what happens when you wake up from a nap, right? There's the curly girl. Claire. Hi, Claire. Look, lazy one over there. Look, aren't you lazy? Hi, Claire. Hi, Claire. No, what you sitting there for by my feet? You too. Look at that little one. Let's see who we got here. Lime and the tri-colored girl. You can see her brown spots coming in. Would you quit licking? Lick, 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 and lick, lick, lick. I'm trying to say, see her brown spots there? I know she likes belly rubs already, right? So this is the tri-colored girl. She's a tri-colored girl. She says, I'll roll over and you can get my belly. Yeah, you're so pretty. Cotton, I know you got to get in there too. You all do, right? You little sweetie. The little tri-colored boy here. Here's your ribbon. And Aqua's Comet, the black one. That's, gosh, he has the shiniest, softest coat ever. And you want belly rub too. You want a belly rub too, huh? Oh, well, come out here, goober. You want attention, but do you think it needs to come to you? That's pretty lazy. That's Claire. Hi, Claire. And the sleepy one over there. Camille. Camille's got this beautiful, big, thick, wavy, shaggy coat. Curly. Look at those curls. See, the curls just makes their fur, you know, stick out more than their face and their head, rather than laying flat across their snout. I know the rest of you got to get right in there too, not to be ignored, right? More belly rubs. Oh, see, just girl and her belly rubs. Just girl and her belly rubs. Oh, David, I love my belly rubs, don't you? Oh, yeah. You just come up in front of me and throw yourself down like, yeah, rub my belly. Rub my belly. Oh, yeah, there's a belly rubs. Oh, there's a belly rubs. You're such a sweet angel, aren't you? Oh, yeah, look at you. Spoiled already. I spoiled already, huh? Jealous boy. That's the tri-colored boy with the pink ribbon. So the lime's the tri-colored girl. Tri because they have white and black, and the tan's coming. Tan kind of comes out more as they grow. You know, more as that hair gets longer and kind of spreads out more. You'll see it more form around their face and legs. So Comet's the black one. Cosmo, you just ran through the water dish too. Can I just pick that water dish up? Oh, you all need a drink now? Got it from your nap, gotta get a drink, then you're gonna have to go to the bathroom. That's the routine, Mama. But wait, I need to take pictures of you too. I hope you don't get wet mouths in your pictures. Well, there's no waking Camille up yet. She needs a long nap. She must have got worn out earlier, huh? What are you trying to see up there, huh? What? You're so funny. That's Catty. You're so funny, Catty. Oh, your poor sister. The yellow is Claire. And Catty's picking on her. She says, I don't care. I don't really care. I don't feel like playing. Don't feel like playing. Tired. She wants to find a nice, cozy, soft blanket. Yep. She's going to lay down and go to sleep. She says, no, maybe not. Maybe I'll come play. Cotton, you're getting tired? Okay, so let's see. Well, today's report would be Camille, lazy, lazy, lazy. Cotton wants to play and then get lazy, so. Hi, Cotton. We're talking to you, Cotton. Claire, who she wanted to take a nap, but she wants attention too. So what they want to do is come over by me, and they want to lay down and take a nap. They're hoping I'm going to lay down on the floor so they can crawl on my lap. I should just sit. What if I just sit here with you guys? Can I just sit here? Right, Cotton? Right, Cotton? And Camille? Yes, I put your water dish up there. What do you think about that, huh? You're a smart girl. You've seen that up there. Hey, cuteness. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, who we got here? Hey, little boy. You have such a big, gorgeous, square-headed face. Look at that. Num, num, num. Yeah, yes, you do. Num, 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 num. Da, mommy, baby. Mommy, sweet baby here. Yeah, Cosmo, little sweetie. And that's going to be Comet, who is my other sweetie. Yeah, Comet. Oh, and you're just so silky soft. I love it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Look at you. Put your little face in my hand. Oh, the sweet cuddler. Sweet cuddler. Oh, yes, you are. Yeah. What? You just don't give up, do you? Oh, just don't give up, do you, Cosmo? Oh, no, I'm not going to give up. But you can see how that's tan's coming out more around his face, and he'll get eyebrows in that color. And there's the girl, that's the tricolor. Hey you. Hey you. What are you doing back there? Aww. So that's Cosmo. Did you hear your name, Cosmo? What? Your name? Mm-hmm. And then Comet's this black boy with a super shiny coat. I kept thinking maybe he was like two-tone with browns underneath. But, I mean, when you look at it, you kind of think that. because it's like it's just so shiny. You know what I mean? Probably not. But it's just such a shiny, shiny coat. And it's just like the lights shining off of it in different ways, which almost makes it look like it's two different colors, but I don't think it is. I just think it's so shiny that the different shades of light make it look different. I mean, I would love it if it was a merle and it was two different tones, but I can't say that for sure because I think it's just black. It's just such a shiny, soft black. Can't say enough about that. You guys are so soft too, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Yes, Mommy, I am, Cosmo. And look who's over here. All right, bye, Mommy. Hi. The little yellow ribbon girl. That's Claire, I'm sure. Let me see.